Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all well. In today's video, I'm going to share another quick recipe with you. And if you're tired of using rice for your jollof, this is the perfect alternative to rice. For ingredients, we're going to need 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, a bowl of bulgur wheat. This one is the very fine one, and some blended tomatoes, ginger, garlic, and onion. So into my cooking pot, I'm going in now with roughly like 4 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to heat that up for 4 to 5 minutes and then add the tomato puree. I will cook this for 5 minutes on low medium heat. Bulgur wheat is so good for weight loss and is very filling. Another thing I really like about it is the fact that it's very healthy comparing to using rice. Now I'm going in with the blended ginger, garlic, and onions, and I'm going to keep this on the stove for another 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going in now with 1 cube, and I will be adding some ginger powder, garlic powder, and onion powder. So this is how we make the sauce. It's exactly the same process as if you're going to make jollof rice, but this one is just on the more healthier side of things. I'm going in now with some chili flakes, and I will be stirring this for a little while and cover it up and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes, and the sauce will be ready. Though I'm using bulgur to make this recipe, you can also use quinoa or even couscous to make this recipe. Now the sauce is ready, and I'm going in now with 345 milliliter of water, and I will be adding the meat as well. I'm using smoked turkey, but you can use chicken, you can use beef for this recipe. Today I'm using only the orange bell pepper, but feel free to add the green one, the red one, and all the other vegetables out there that you love having in your jollof rice. You know, feel free to add it. It could be peas, carrots, you know, just have fun, really have fun. I'm going in now with the chopped onions, and I will cover it up and let it cook here for 3 minutes. Let's check. The sauce is looking so good already. I'm going in now with the bulgur, and I will be adding later on a little bit more water for it to cook, and that's the bowl. So if you have similar bowl, just use it to measure it. Now let's mix everything properly. After that, I will be adding a little bit of water, cover it up, and let it cook for another 12 to 15 minutes max, and the bulgur will be ready. I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. If you are, kindly give this video a thumbs up. If you don't know you're liking the video, allow YouTube to share the video with more people, because it simply indicates that you're really enjoying my content. And of course, if you're new here and you like to get my notifications of yummy, quick, and very easy recipes, kindly subscribe and make sure your notification bell is on. I just added a little bit of water. Quick stir this up, and then I will cover it up. To my returning subscribers, thanks so much for coming back. I truly appreciate all of you, and keep your comments coming. Do you like bulgur, or this is actually your first time hearing about this special but yet healthy ingredient to incorporate into your diet? If it's your first time, let me know in the comment section. You can see how fluffy it looks and is so ready. it's time for me to serve the food. If you love rice, but you are looking forward to lose weight, I would suggest you try burger and let me know 2 months later what you think. And this is so fluffy, very soft as well. So go for the fine one. They have the coarse one as well, but I prefer the fine one. So I know, give it a try and let me know what you think. And there you have it, our burger jollof. So yummy, very inviting, and something different but healthy that you can incorporate into your diet. Let your children try it, and your family, your friends, and you let me know what they think as well. It's time for me to dive right into this food. And if you're new here, in Togo we say Midunulo, meaning you are welcome to join me. So grab your fork if you love using fork, but I'm going with the spoon. So it's time to dig in, and I'll let you know, obviously, what I think as usual. Taking my time to eat this, and guys, this was so mwah, yummy, yumminess on the highest level. That is exactly how this burger jollof tasted like, and that one right there is for you. I'm going to try the meat as well and let you know how the meat tasted, and it was so delicious. It just melted in my mouth. So if you're going to use turkey, for example, make sure you cook it well. It's very tender for you to use when you are making your burger jollof. And as usual, I'd love to hear from you in the comment section. What do you think after trying this recipe? Let me know. And I said already, feel free to use beef, feel free to use chicken, or even fish for this recipe. You're going to love it as well. If you like me to use quinoa to make similar recipe, let me know in the comment section, and I will gladly cook that specifically for you to enjoy, of course. So thanks again for watching, and don't forget, it's your kitchen, your rules. I'm just guiding you here. Take care for now. Bye. Au revoir.